today's video, we're gonna be making some delicious yam with salted fish sauce. Welcome to Haitian Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So this is all the ingredients that we're gonna be using to make this delicious Haitian style recipe. So I'm gonna start by unsalted the fish with warm water and lemon slice, so I can reduce the smell, guys. And now I'm gonna let it rest for about 5 hours, but you can let it stay under hot water or boil it overnight. And I change the water twice to reduce the sodium on it. And if you boil it, you're gonna definitely get more sodium out, guys. And now I'm peeling off the yam. I have here some white yam. It's so good, guys. It's one of my favorite yam. And now I'm cutting them in small pieces. It takes about 20 to 25 minutes to be cooked. It doesn't take too long. I didn't even have add salt on the water. I just have a punch of salt because I know that the sauce will have a lot of sodium. So I'm letting it boiling, guys. And now I'm taking all the bone. I'm cleaning up the fish, take all the bones as much as I can out of the fish. And also I take some of the skin out too. So if you want to take all out, you can, but I couldn't take the whole skin out, guys. So this is how it looks after cleaning, and I try to cut them a little bit smaller. And now the yam is ready, guys. So I'm gonna start by preparing the sauce. I'm cutting some tomatoes, and I'm gonna be adding also some green pepper, yellow pepper, and some onions. And now this is everything that I'm gonna be using for the sauce, guys. I'm gonna start by frying some épices, Haitian épices, and after that I'm gonna add the fish, let it fry till it becomes yellow a little bit, guys. And after that I'm gonna add the tomatoes. When I tell you the kitchen smells so good, guys, this fish also smells strong, guys. If you don't like strong smell, you won't like this fish, salted fish. So but the way I clean it up, this is the best way to reduce the smell. It smells so good in the kitchen, guys. And don't forget when you clean up when you unsalted that fish to add some lemon slice on it, on the water. And now I'm letting it fry, guys. You see how it looks, guys? Smells so good, guys. And now you can add just a little bit of water, not a lot, just a little bit. And in order for you to have a really, tender sauce, not too liquid, so just add just a little bit of water. And now I'm adding all the veggies on it, guys. And guys, when I tell you this sauce, it's so good with so many things like plantains, potatoes, sweet potatoes. It's so delicious. It's actually a Haitian recipe. So when I tell you this recipe require a lot, like to unsalt the fish, but when you finish making that recipe, you will love it, absolutely love it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And guys, wow, when I tell you this sauce was delicious, was absolutely delicious. Enjoy.